Another flowing blessing strive 1 for our daily verse we are now at Acts chapter 26 in verse 15 up to verse 30. Build a framework of acacia wood for the walls of the sacred tent. Each frame is to be 4-meter high and 66 centimeters wide, with 2 wooden pegs near the bottom. Place 2 silver stands under each frame with sockets for the pegs so the frame can be joined together. 20 of these frames are to be used along the south side and 20 more along the north. For the back wall along the west side, use 6 frames, with 2 more on the southwest and northwest corners. Make certain that these corners frames are joined from top to bottom. Altogether, this back wall will have 8 frames with 2 silver stands under each one. Make 5 crossbar for each of the wooden frames, with the center crossbar running the full length of the wall. Cover the frames and the crossbar with gold. Attach gold rings to the frames to run the crossbar through. Then set up the tent in the way I show you on the mountain. So this passage is the continuation of the instruction of the Lord pertaining to the frame of the tent of the tabernacle. So what does this actually mean? Yes, that tent of the tabernacle contains multiple parts and each part supports one another for the tent to stand. In the same way, we as a believer of Christ must support one another to build His church. Because we as the believer, we as a congregation is the church. The building is just the meeting place, but the actual church is us. Okay? Our church building or church venue is just a venue. But the church, the actual church, is the people. The believer, the disciple of Christ, it is the church. And each one of us had a function and responsibilities in front of God and inside of His church. So, come what may happen, we need to do what God assigned us to do. So, let us realize that, yes, the church exists, we exist because God is the master planner. He is the architect. So, you, as a disciple of Christ, you must support your fellow disciples of Christ, and you must support your leader, and you must support the whole church as a whole. Okay?